Hey, it's Matt from AiDIY. AiDIY.tech is the website. And today I want to talk about something that I talk about a bit because I love OpenArt and I am affiliate of OpenArt. I have an affiliate link and everything, but when they come up with promos and different offerings, I do want to bring stuff out. It's up to you if you want to take advantage of it. This particular promotion I don't think is for everyone. It's for people if you have a subscription already and you're getting to the point every month where you're just constantly running out of credits and you're thinking about upgrading your account to the next level so you have more credits or tokens to create. You can do that because if you update, you get obviously a discount on the annual subscription, and also they're giving you a discount on the usage of certain models. And the ones that I've confirmed, I'm just going to bring here. So I just did a thing. I was a little bit unclear about exactly what models they had available. I did a check. Nano Banana Pro, which is the main one I use to create images, is available, plus all these here. And the video ones here, Seedance, they said to be decided in the future, so I can't confirm the use of Seedance right now. I use Seedance 2.0 to create videos like this. So here is my OpenArt account right here. As you can see, I've chosen Nano Banana Pro, and it used to be 40 credits to create a 2K image 16.9, one of them to create, and I use that to create images like this. Still images, actually, that's a lot of videos in there that I use with Seedance, but anyway, those are based off... Those videos are based off the still images that I create, but I create character cards like this. Like people from the AI community, I wanted her to be a villain in my video. I used Nano Banana Pro to do that. Anyway, if you have an account already, you already know what these tools do. This particular one, like I said, is for people who have an account that want to upgrade to a higher account at an annual subscription. And you need a minimum monthly plan is that you need at least an advanced account. I have Infinite. I find that even at Infinite, sometimes I run short on the 24,000 credits. I think it's a pretty good deal to do for a year. I basically already had it, so I can't even use this deal. Cool. So if you want to take advantage of this, I do have my affiliate code down in the description. I love OpenArt. I use it all the time. I get really into it. And if you want to make really amazing videos, use images. I almost forgot the most important thing. Sale ends July 31st, so it's coming to you sort of at the last minute. But I think basically when videos go out on YouTube, it only has a couple days shelf life anyway. So take advantage if you would like that.